Welcome to Touring Globe. Join us as we explore the world's most beautiful places and share our travel adventures. Subscribe for tips, stories, and inspiration. Here are some of the top cheap flights from the USA to Europe for 2024. 1. New York to Barcelona, $429 round trip with Vueling Airlines. 2. Newark to Amsterdam, $448 round trip with Aer Lingus. 3. Newark to Barcelona, $453 round trip with Scandinavian Airlines. 4. New York to Oslo, $455 round trip with Norse Atlantic Airways. 5. Newark to Rome, $457 round trip with Scandinavian Airlines. 6. New York to Paris, $473 round trip with French Bee. 7. Boston to Reykjavik, $325 round trip with Icelandair. 8. Los Angeles to Dublin, $485 round trip with Aer Lingus. 9. Miami to Lisbon, $499 round trip with TAP Air Portugal. 10. Chicago to Frankfurt, $515 round trip with Condor. These prices are subject to change and availability, so it's best to book as early as possible to secure these deals. Checking multiple booking sites like Expedia, Skyscanner, and Kayak can help you find the best prices for your travel dates. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Don't forget to subscribe to Touring Globe for more travel adventures. See you in the next one. Happy travels!